over in the milking parlour. Having a wee. We don't feed in the parlour because their food is what's called a totally mixed ration, so they don't get fed blends or concentrates. We feed them forage, their maize and their grass, and then we add a little bit of protein, soya, and some oats and minerals and things like that in there, so they have everything they need in their diet. These are all finished inside. I'll let those out in a minute. I'll move out of the way. And when they come out, they go around here. Where they can have a brush. She's not really putting a lot of effort into that, is she? Brush is a very, very good source of nesting materials for birds. They come and pick all the hair off the top of it, fill their beaks up and take it away. It's very bright out here. Hello, sweetie. Oh, here they come. They're coming out now. I'll move out of their way, let them come through. Oh, and this is Melanie. Here she comes. Yeah, you can't just sort of walk with the rest of the cows, can you? You have to come see. Good grief, have you cleaned your nose? Let's see. You have? Well, sort of. What a good girl. having a brush. Melanie, just let me do it. Go away a bit. We don't want just you. We want to see the other cows. I've got to go and fetch some more cows up for Nick because he hasn't got very many waiting, so I'll have to go and get some more out the shed. So I'll talk later. Melanie, stop it, she's eating me. Right, bye for now.